Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what is tokenization, how it's different from encryption, and who are the users. When we are making some purchasing over online and need to make some transactions, so the critical data which is stored in our payment card, as a debit card or your credit card, when you are just trying to make the payment, you need to provide some information to the merchant. Yeah, your credit card detail, your C number, and suppose in between hackers is there and they just steal that information, or they hack the merchant uh, server where they are storing that data. The information they are having, they can make a lot of damage us. There is the use of tokenization and how it can help us to protect our critical data. Let's just discuss a scenario here. For example, you want to make some purchasing over Amazon and you need to give some detail about your credit card. Okay, that's your credit card, and here is some number 1 2 3 5. Okay, and that information you need to give to Amazon.com. So that information directly not share with the merchant. This is the merchant. In between, there is a token service provider. Okay, that they are storing the information about your credit card in a secure, highly secure data wallet. Okay, and on the behalf of your request, they are authorized to make payment via the normal mode. So when you will request, okay, I need to make payment, that is request will go to the TSP, okay, token service provider. The data that's stored over there, they will check, yes, you are the authorized user. So first of all, they will just check the authenticity, whether you are having that correct detail which they need to make the payment. Okay, after that they will just generate a token not related to your information which is embedded on your credit card. It's just totally random number, no relevance between your data and just generation of that token. Okay, totally new random number. It will be just looking like a credit card number, but that's not the exactly of yours credit card number, no relevance between this. And that token will send to the merchant where they just store the token. Okay, token is here. And in case if hacker will attack on that server and steal that information, they cannot reverse it. They cannot find out, yes, what was the credit card detail associated with certain token. Understand, because that's the random number. Now this question comes, how it's different from other encryption method. In case of encryption, we have certain data plus some key, whether that's symmetric key, same key we are using to encrypt the data and decrypt the data, or asymmetric key, public private key. So these key just pass through a certain algorithm which we will select to generate the output, and it will just generate the output. So who is having that key? So data is already in the encryption, and who is having the key? And no, yes, this is the encryption method used, because it's well known, everyone know about the encryption method. If they are having the key, they just hit and trial, they will can try this method, then after that, for example, you are using DKS or advanced encryption standard, they can just find it out. That's not a big deal. So in case of encryption, we are using the data and the key. That's why it's different from the token. Token is not generating the value from your using your critical data. So it's a totally different. Here are other different kind of tokens, like card. It can be in the form of certain card which is having some number into it, or fob with chip, USB fob, or electronic or software generated token. So it is another kind of we can say factor of authentication, just saving our critical data from hackers. So isn't it so awesome and wonderful technologies uh, saving our critical data from hackers? Yeah. So and wonderful technologies used by the different vendors. And so follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative. Also share that session with your friends, group members, so that they will be able to understand what exactly is the token, how it's different from encryption, and who just are using it. And one more thing, in case of bank, they are having that information, critical information. They need to find out the detail of their users. Okay, so in this case, they cannot use token. They need that information as it is, so they can use the mask. Okay, maybe your last four digits of your credit card number are just visible only, and the rest of the digit they just put cross over there. So in this way they can also save our credit. So see you in the next session. Namaste.